In this video, we're going to talk about the pointers. So what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable that contains the memory address of another variable. In other words, a pointer is a variable that points to the value of other variable indirectly. So first of all, I'm going to make a variable int x equal to 5. In the previous video, we have said that every variable has a value and a memory address. I want to print the value of x. I'm going to write printf. The value of x is %d \n x. And now I'm going to also print the memory address of 5. Printf the address of x is, I'm going to write %x \n and %x. We have said that in order to access the memory address of a variable, we use the ampersand. So let's print and see. The value of x is 5. The address of x is D7-3FF-CCC. This is the address of this variable in memory. Basically, it's like this. We have a variable, and also we have the value, and we have the address of this variable in memory location. So here we have x, and the value of x is 5, and the memory address of x is, we have printed here, this is D7FF-CCC. D7-3FF-CCC. This is the address of x in memory. Now we have another variable that points to the address of this variable. For example, here we have the variable y. The value of this variable y will be the address of this x. For example, here the value of this y will be D7-3FF-CCC. This is the pointer. This y points to the memory address of x. This y access to this 5, access to this value indirectly. So for example, here we're going to say int star y. In order to create a pointer, we use the star notation. So here I'm going to say y is equal to ampersand x. We have said that we use the ampersand in order to access the memory address. So here y is equal to address of x. Here we said y. The value of y is address of x. This is the address of x in memory, and this is the value of y, which is the address of x. So here I'm going to print the value of y. I'm going to copy that. The value of y, I'm going to change it to %x, and I'm going to change it also y. The value of y, and also I'm going to copy that as well. This is the address of y is %x and %y. So let's print and see the output. I'm going to compile it. I'm going to run. The value of x is 5. This is the value of x. The address of x is 5D1FF. Now the memory address of x changed. It is 5D1FF9BC, and the value of y is 5D1FF9BC. As you can see, the value of y and the memory address of x, both of them are exactly the same. This is 5, this is 5. 5D1FF9BC, 9BC. Both are exactly the same. We have said that the value of y will be exactly the same with the address of x. This is the pointer. Y points to the address of x. The address of y is 5D1FF9B0. This is the address of x. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it here. This is the address of x. And also, this is the value of y. I'm going to copy that again here. And also, I'm going to copy the address of y. I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, the address of x and the value of y are the same exactly. The last two letters, BC, BC. but the address of y is different. 5D1FF 9B0. Here is the address of x is 9BC and the address of y is 9B0. The addresses of x and y almost are the same, but their last digit changed because x and y, they are next each other in memory. In memory, there is billions of locations, and this x and y are next each other, and the space between these two x and y will be 4 location because every integer space is 4 location. Here, this is the last letter of this location is C, and we have said that the hexadecimal contains 0 to 9 and letter A until F. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also A, B, C, D, E, F. C is the last letter of X's address. This is C. And the last letter of Y's address is 0. This is C, D, E, F. And also it starts from the beginning. And also it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 until the end. The spaces between C and 0 are 4 location because integer variable use 4 spaces in memory. This is the reason the address of X and Y are almost the same, but they are different a little bit. So we have said that this y accesses to the value of x indirectly. Now here, I'm going to print the value of x by y. I'm going to write here printf the y points to the, I'm going to write here %d \n, and I'm going to use star y. So let's print and see the output. The y points to the 5. Here is the value of x is 5, and also y points to the 5. They are the same. The value of x is 5, the address of x is this number, and the value of y is this number. Also, these two numbers are the same, and the address of y is this number. They are almost the same, but different a little bit, and the y points to the 5. So, this is the basic information about the pointers. See you next video, and bye for now.